Attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Oahu leeward waters, Oahu windward waters, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:25 p.m., a line of strong thunderstorm capable of producing wind gusts to 40 knots and waterspouts was located from south and east of Oahu to north of Molokai, with individual storms moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and subtly higher waves. Locations impacted include Barbers Point, Sad Buoy U, Sad Buoy T, Mokula Islands, Sad Buoy HH, Sad Buoy MM, Pearl Harbor, and Sad Buoy BO. Prepare for gusty winds, steep and fast-building seas, and blinding downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.